Hey there, welcome back to the Evolve channel. Today, we're again diving into the world of essential oil benefits in the second of a three-part series on tangerine essential oil benefits. I'm Dr. Kara Hanks, shamanic practitioner, certified essential emotions coach, spiritual mentor, and educator, and I am incredibly passionate about empowering you to take control of your wellness so you and your loved ones can experience less stress, better health, and greater inner peace. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and click on the bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload a new video or go live here on YouTube. And if you like this video, please share it with your friends on your social media platforms. We all deserve health. Also, stick around to the end of this video so I can share with you how to download my free chakra activation blueprint. Or you can join my app for free. In this video, I'm going to answer the question, what are the benefits of tangerine essential oil when used topically? You will discover tangerine essential oil has many holistic benefits. So grab a notebook and a pen and settle into your favorite chair for the next few minutes. I have so much to share with you. Tangerine essential oil is invigorating, and as I mentioned in my previous video on the internal use of tangerine essential oil benefits, it is absolutely one of my favorite citrus essential oils because of its uplifting aroma. However, tangerine oil is not just for aromatherapy. It's also a powerhouse when it comes to topical use. Let's explore some of its fantastic applications. First up, if you're experiencing muscle tension or discomfort, maybe from working out, try combining tangerine oil with other soothing oils like peppermint, frankincense, marjoram, or even wintergreen. Simply mix a few drops of each, 2 or more of these essential oils with a carrier oil, and massage into the affected area for some immediate relief. The cooling effect of mint combined with the calming properties of tangerine can work wonders for easing muscle tension. Tangerine oil is also excellent for promoting circulation and moving fluids. Apply it directly over the affected area and gently massage it in to encourage better flow. Whether it's swollen areas or poor flow of fluids in your extremities, tangerine oil can provide relief when applied topically. Bring it to your next massage. How about if you are feeling congested? Apply tangerine oil over your chest to help support your respiratory function. Its invigorating scent can provide instant relief. And what about throat congestion or feeling congested in the head or maybe your ears? Apply tangerine oil behind the ears and down the throat. In moments, it will lend support and you will find yourself enjoying its soothing aroma as your mind brings you somewhere warm and sunny. You can also dab a bit of tangerine oil over the bridge of your nose or forehead when you're feeling mentally stuck or overwhelmed with thoughts. Its uplifting aroma can help clear the mind and promote focus. There are also many tangerine essential oil benefits for the skin. Mix it with a carrier oil and apply to dry, irritated skin for soothing relief, as well as energizing and uplifting aromatic support. You can even add a few drops of tangerine oil to your favorite shampoo for an extra boost. Its cleansing properties can help soothe and refresh both your hair and your scalp. And there you have it, the wonderful benefits of tangerine essential oil with several topical applications. If you are looking for one oil with a wide array of support, tangerine has a lot to offer. Thank you for staying with me to the end. Don't forget to like this video and share it with someone you know who could benefit from this information, someone who's looking to be free from health issues. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so that you can learn more tips about essential oil use for better well-being. And you can be notified when the third episode of this series gets released. First, I want to personally invite you to my free 5-day Awaken Quest. Link to register is in the description. Awaken is only offered 3 times per year, so make sure you register. There's also a link to download my free app. and a link to download the free chakra activation blueprint. I hope you will find some of these resources extremely beneficial to you on your journey to better health, better wellness, empowered by you. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I look forward to seeing you in episode 3.